So Selina from YouSu Filament has sent me a sample of their EONO sub-brand filament to try out. Let's take a look at it. Wasn't actually expecting a full kilo of filament, but here we go. The vacuum seal is held, which is good, and a nice touch, if you can see that, this is a resealable bag. Don't do what I quite often do with these and open the other end, ruining the bag. I actually have my own vacuum seal bags, but I shall pass this on to someone else who uses it. Let's have a look. Okay, so what we have is Rainbow SILK PLA. Do a quick snap test on it. I do this whenever I get new filament or I start printing. If you can bend PLA like this and it doesn't snap, then it's unlikely to be damp. If it snaps, work your way along a bit until it stops snapping. If a lot of it is snapping, then if you've got a filament dryer, it's worth drying it. If not, you might want to send it back. Filament that's snapping like that has absorbed too much moisture. Not sure if you'll be able to see the colour of this. I shall get this loaded into a printer, run off some test prints, see how it comes out.